You've tried so many different techniques and they start to work and then they stop and everything seems to come to a halt. You may be dealing with blocks or negativity or obstacles or even counterintentions. Let's cut it away right now together in this video. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach, and want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. 30 minutes, absolutely free. We're going to change your life. We've helped people in 60 different countries, and we can help you too. High flyers, no matter what you feel, your world, the world that you live in, whether you love it or whether you detest it, is the product of your mind and your beliefs. The interesting thing is that your subconscious mind, it really can't tell the difference between an actual lived experience and something that you've imagined in your mind and emotionalized it. Key word there, emotionalized it. You felt it in your body. You felt it in your soul. And when you emotionalize, it's real. It's real to your subconscious. And if it becomes real to your subconscious is connected to the infinite field. It's connected to the universe. It's connected to the mind of God. Therefore, it is real in the universe. High flyers, you have the power within you, the power of the God force energy. You know, it says in the Old Testament that God breathed life into Adam, the breath of life. And so what is it? It's spirit. It's life. In Hebrew, it's called ruach. And it's what animates you. It's what gives you the power to create your reality, because the power of God lives within you. Remember, you are created in the image of God. And therefore, what is that image? Is it a physical image? No, it's the ability to create, to manifest, to change your reality. And so you are a co-creator with the infinite creator. You create your own personal reality. Love it or hate it. The most important thing you have going for you is your imagination and your ability to remove obstacles that are stopping you from getting what you want, the money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness you depend on and deserve. It's absolutely amazing, high flyers, when people finally wake up. It's like somebody slapped them in the face and they wake up and they go, wait a minute, I've been a victim all these years. I've been a victim through this crisis that I'm going through. But now I am creator. I am master. I have the power to literally cut away, to slice away anything that is standing in my way from living my most perfect dream. You have the power to cut away obstacles. You have the power to cut away resistance. And high flyers, you have the power to cut away all the boundaries in your life, all your limiting beliefs, your doubts, and your fears. Now, I'm about to share with you a powerful technique, very powerful. And I'm going to ask that you only use it for good, because it's that powerful. Use it for good to empower your life, to bring your life to its highest potential. Remember, everyone in your reality is you pushed out according to all the ancient teachings and according to the teachings of Neville Goddard. So if you use this technique to hurt someone, who are you hurting? You're hurting yourself. Don't do that. So now we're going to use this technique together. Here I have a dagger or a sword, and it's actually very sharp. You don't need one of these, but I use this as a visual just to show you. You can have a longer sword in your mind, or it can be shorter. But remember, the physical sword isn't what's important. It's the sword that you're about to create inside your mind. So I'm going to set the physical sword down, and I'm going to visualize, put my hands up, do this with me. I'm calling down infinite light, infinite power, infinite might. And I have a sword of power right here in my hand. I can feel it. And now I'm literally going to begin to cut away all the negativity. I cut away all negative thoughts that are holding me back from receiving the treasures of life that I desire, the money I desire, the relationship, the health, the vitality. I cut away all negative thoughts. I cut away all resistance. I cut away all boundaries. I cut away all obstacles. I cut away all negativity, all obstacles, all limiting beliefs, all fears, all doubts, all worries, all anxieties that are holding me back this very moment from claiming what I desire, whether it's money or love or a relationship or health or success. Now, I take my sword and I place it in my heart. And I say these words: it is finished. That's it. Do this technique. Do it every single day. And notice that the obstacles that were standing in your way from getting what you want, from manifesting your dreams, seem to be getting weaker and weaker and weaker. And your fears are gone. Your anxiety is gone. Your power is restored. And you are manifesting the life that you desire. Use the technique for maximum impact every day for 28 days. It only takes you a few moments, and you can play this video along with it if that'll help you. That's all it takes. Now, after you've done this, here's another video I urge you to watch.